After another day in the 90s, strong storms have moved in. Wes is tracking those storms here. A little beeping going on behind us.
Yeah, so we've got some severe thunderstorms, and I'm not sure what was worse, our 11th day in a row in the mid-90s or the strong storms. Good news is those storms cooled us off, Sharon, but they're still strong storms. Let's talk about what's going on right now. A lot of us are dry. All of us have gotten some rain at this point because it's a little cooler. The severe storms, there you can see everything flashing in yellow. So severe storms up in closer to the Virginia border in parts of Vance and Warren County. That most recent beeping was a flood warning for parts of Sampson County. They've got a lot of rain already, a couple inches, and there's more on the way. So let's kind of zoom in and take you on a tour of what's going on. These showers and thunderstorms moving to the north from northern Wake County on north, the strongest of which producing heavy rain, lots of lightning, and the possibility of some damaging winds right now over Carr Lake, moving through parts of Mecklenburg County. We kind of shift over to the east just a bit, more of the same, heavy rain, tons and tons of lightning in parts of Halifax, Northampton County. Those are also moving up to the north. Then we go south of the triangle, strong storms exiting eastern parts of Cumberland County, and they're getting ready to head into Sampson from Piney Green down through Salemburg, Roseboro, Clinton. You guys will shortly get it. Heavy rain there, and that's going to last for a little bit. And then we'll probably get a break, short break. And then after 8 o'clock tonight, the showers in the Triad will be back here. So that's not great news, but some good news as we look at temperatures. Remember, we've had 90s for almost 2 weeks straight, and look where we are right now. No 90s, everyone in the 70s and 80s. Henderson, you guys actually dropped into the 60s. That's what the rain is doing for us. And we've actually got cooler temperatures as we head into the weekend. So we've already dropped to the low 70s. I don't see us moving until tomorrow morning. So what you see is what you get with temperatures. As far as rain, we'll get a break in the next couple of hours. Then we'll ramp it back up later tonight and then lower the rain chances again for the overnight hours. So here's that stationary front. I think we've talked about it pretty much every day this week. It's been around us every day this week. What's changed today is an area of low pressure riding along this front, getting closer to us. And it's throwing little disturbances our way, one of which is over us now, another one's coming. And then as this gets closer to us tomorrow, we've got another round and better chances of rain. So here is what we're expecting tonight with the storms. Our biggest threat, really, lightning and heavy rain. There's a lot of lightning, and we know the problems that can cause around here. Heavy, heavy rain, strong wind. There's going to be some occasional occurrences, not widespread, and then really large hail and tornadoes not really in the conversation tonight. But by tomorrow, as that area of low pressure gets closer to us, we'll have another chance of storms. It'll be our wettest day of the week. And it's also going to be the first time in almost 2 weeks we are not in the 90s. Then we get into the weekend. The front and the area of low pressure are out of here, and we've got high pressure. Decent weather, almost comfortable this weekend, as again, we stay in the 80s. Then we get into Monday. Humidity is going to start to come back. We'll pop in a few showers, and we've got another cold front coming next week as well. We like summer cold fronts. This one will bring us better rain chances and eventually some cooler temperatures. That's later next week. Tomorrow, we've got another stormy day. Not going to see a whole lot of sunshine. It's our highest rain chance. We're putting it area-wide at 60%, and that's late morning through early evening, not just afternoon and evening. So you might need the umbrella in the morning. We'll go 82 in Raleigh, 81 in Durham, 85 in Fayetteville. I don't know about you, but I'll take a little bit of thunderstorm action if we've got a high of 82. So again, our best chance of rain tomorrow. We get into the weekend. Early morning clouds Saturday, late day clouds Sunday. Otherwise, lots of sunshine, dry weather, lower humidity. From 85 Saturday, we'll go to 88 Sunday. Then we're around 90 next Monday and Tuesday with some higher humidity. Good chance of rain next Tuesday ahead of the cold front, which will be here, guys, on Wednesday. And that has the possibility to really cool us down, low 80s and low humidity. So we've got some good news coming today. We had temperatures that, again, were in the 90s, and our monthly total, thanks to our 3-degree guarantee for Brown Bag Ministry, is up to $600. Unfortunately, everything this month has come with temperatures in the 90s, but I think tomorrow we'll be happy with some 80s, even though it comes with some storms.
Awesome, great news. Brown Bag Ministry.
Congratulations. Good job, Wes.
Well, if you're looking